11. Roasted beet salad, a colorful and nutritious salad that highlights the earthy sweetness of roasted beets, paired with creamy goat cheese. Recipe: ingredients: to medium beets, roasted and diced 4 cups mixed greens, 1/4 cup goat cheese, crumbled 1/4 cup walnuts, toasted to tablespoons balsamic vinaigrette. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine mixed greens, roasted beets, goat cheese, and walnuts. Drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette and toss gently. Serve immediately. 12. Cobb Salad, a hearty salad filled with protein and flavors, featuring chicken, bacon, avocado, and blue cheese. Recipe: ingredients: 4 cups romaine lettuce, chopped 1 cup cooked chicken, diced 1/2 avocado, diced 1/4 cup blue cheese, crumbled 1/4 cup cooked bacon, chopped 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes. Half to tablespoons ranch dressing. Instructions: in a large bowl, layer romaine, chicken, avocado, blue cheese, bacon, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with ranch dressing and serve. 13. Apple Walnut Salad, a crunchy and sweet salad that pairs tart apples with walnuts and a tangy dressing, perfect for fall. Recipe: ingredients: 4 cups mixed greens, 1 apple, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup walnuts, chopped 1/4 cup dried cranberries to tablespoons apple cider vinaigrette. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine mixed greens, apple slices, walnuts, and dried cranberries. Drizzle with apple cider vinaigrette and toss gently. Serve immediately. 14. Panzanella Salad, a rustic Italian salad featuring stale bread, ripe tomatoes, and fresh basil, perfect for summer. Recipe: ingredients: 4 cups cubed stale bread for ripe tomatoes, chopped 1 cucumber, diced 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced 1/4 cup fresh basil, torn 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine bread, tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and basil. Whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, and pepper. Pour over salad and toss to combine. Serve immediately. 15. Tabbouleh Salad, a fresh Middle Eastern salad made with bulgur wheat, parsley, and mint, ideal as a side dish or light meal. Recipe: ingredients: 1 cup bulgur wheat, 2 cups boiling water, 1 cup parsley, finely chopped 1/2 cup mint, finely chopped 1/2 cup tomatoes, diced 1/4 cup olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a bowl, combine bulgur wheat and boiling water. Let sit for 30 minutes until bulgur is tender. Drain excess water. Add parsley, mint, tomatoes, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toss to combine and serve chilled. These salads offer a delightful array of flavors and textures, perfect for any meal or occasion. Enjoy experimenting with these recipes.